Let's draw a sheep today. First, fold the top down to the bottom. And then fold the bottom to the top. And you have your bush. Open it up, and here is where we'll draw our sheep. Get your pencil or pen, and down under here, and just under the fold, let's draw a U for her face. Now her woolly hair. Then one ear. And the other ear. Two eyes. And a little line, and a line just above. Now let's draw her body like a big, fluffy cloud. Draw two front legs. Then two back legs. Add some foot pads and then color her and the bush. Let's celebrate! I found my lost sheep. If you like this tutorial, be sure to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.